Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Ayan this side. In this video, let's talk about the problem of LEETCODE. It is a easy problem. Name is content duplicate part 2. Okay. So the problem is that give a integer nums and integer k. So you want to return true. Like example, give an integer array nums and integer k. Okay. So return true if they are two distinct indices I and j. In this array such that nums I equals to nums j and I minus j is less than equals to k. So you want to return true. It is not less than equals to k, so you want to return false. Okay, so let's take an example. Like you give the example like 1 2 3 1. So firstly give this 1. The index of 1 is 0. So you want to search this array. Like again this array is like this index like 0 1 2 3. Okay, so you want to minus 0 minus 3 is less than equals to k. So yes, it is less than equals to k. So you want to return true. Okay. So like for example, like this is minus 3. Like minus 3 is less than equals to 3. So that's why I am using math like you know that math dot apps like abs math and sorry for that abs. So it is not contain a minus 1. Let's take another example like you give the array like 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so firstly you give the 1 to 1 index is 0 and another one index is like 0 1 2 3 3. Okay, so 0 minus 3 is less than equals to 2, so it is not. So you want to return false. Okay, I hope you understand the concept. What is the concept of the duplicate content part 2? Yeah, it is very easy question. Like concept is not a difficult. Yeah, it is a very easy question. I hope you understand this concept. So let's write the code. Okay, so firstly I'm making hash map. Actually I have an idea of two like for example like I use on two for loop, but the time complexity of the loop like is very high. So that's why I'm not using the for loop, the two for loop. So I am using hash map. So the time complexity of less than, so the my answer is accepted. Okay, so let's write the code. I'm making a hash map. Okay, so like you know that the hash map is the collection of the key and value pair. So like this is integer, like this is array is integer and k is also integer. So I am using two integer and another integer. Okay, the name I'll give the map new hash map. It's my bad, sorry. Okay, yeah, so I'm making hash map. Okay, so what can I do? I using the for loop. For integer I equals to 0, I less than, like this is nums, so nums dot length, sorry, yeah, nums dot length I plus plus. Okay, so firstly like I'm using hash map. Firstly I check it is content, it is 1, so I store the value of I and also index because I want to minus the index of I and index of I, like it is equal, like array nums I is equals to nums index. Like so firstly I want to minus like index of 0 and index of another, like it is equal the value. So I want to minus like 0 minus 3 is less than equals to k. So firstly I check it is contains I, so I minus, so I want to minus of the index. Okay, to index it is less than equals to k, it is less than equals to k, so I want to return true. It is not less than equals to k, so I want to return false. Okay, so firstly I check it is contain, like map dot content key nums I. Like, so firstly it is contain. So like for like firstly give me a minute. Like, firstly I put the value so you easily understand what can I do. Okay, so firstly like nums I and I. So like firstly I contents. Okay, so I give the example what happened in this line. Okay, give me a minute. I rough it. Yeah, I change the color. Yeah, it is fine. Okay, so like firstly map dot put nums I. Okay, so like let's take an example of is in this example you can see okay, so this is like map. Okay, like I contain like one. You see this, like firstly if condition is false, then this condition is run. Okay, like map dot put 1 and the I value is index value is 0, so I put 0. Okay, I hope you understand. So firstly this line is working on this, like I take example, I already explain you like 1 and 0. Like it is not contained on the map, so firstly I put is 1 and the index is 0. Yeah, okay, and it is contained, like take example, like it is contained, is already contained, so I want minus 0 and I want to minus like in this index 0 1 2 3. Then I minus 0 minus 3, it is less than equals to true, so I want to return true. It is not less than, so I want to return false. Like it is contained, so like if, okay, if I minus map dot get nums I minus, sorry, less than equals to k. Yeah, so like firstly it is contained, like for example, like firstly I put the value of 1, so it is contained. It is contained, so the like it is contained, the index of I is 0 1 2 3 3 minus map dot get it is means to you want to you want to find the index value, so like index is 0, so 0. I think you are understand what I'm saying to try. Okay, so like minus I minus, like I index is 3, like in this example like 0 1 2 3, so I is 3. So 3 minus map dot get index I, so index I the value is 0, is less than equals to k. It is less than equals to k, so you want to return true. Okay, or it is not less than equals to k, so you want to return false. Okay, this is wrong actually. Okay, this is not less than equals to k, so I want to return false. Yeah, I run it. Yeah, actually, yeah, sorry for that, it's my bad. Like find hash map, actually I think my spelling is wrong. Okay, it's h is small. Okay, that's fine. Again, what an issue, hash map like integer and integer map equals to new hash map. Okay, give me a minute, I just check what's the problem. Okay, like the problem is that actually a is also not capital, a is only small, so that's the problem. Like map dot contents, like yeah, it is contents, not a content. Okay, yeah, it's run. Thank you so much to watching this video and give the